What do you know? I dyed my hair blue-black for the sake of this video for you guys. Yeah, so you know how annoying it is to dye your hair. It's super annoying, but I love you guys. That's why you should subscribe and hit that like button. Don't even try to lie, Glam fam. I am looking all types of crazy. In this together, okay? It's you and you and me. Yes. All right, I love you guys. Can't wait to get this hair dye off my hair and start the video already. Listen to this thing. You want to see something funny? Like that's louder than my car. Hey Glam fam, what's up? I love Becky G. And if you don't know who Becky G is, then exit out of the video right now. Get this step in. No, I'm just kidding. But listen, Becky G and Colourpop. I love Becky G and I love Colourpop. I am going to recreate Becky G new video, Lost in the Middle of Nowhere. I'm going to do her look with her outfit as best as possible, okay? The face, the hoops, the whole 9 yards. And the catch is I am going to be using only Colourpop cosmetics because there's nothing I love more than Becky G and Colourpop. Like, sound off in the comment section below if you feel the same way. I have already done my eyebrows off camera. If you haven't seen this video, by the way, I will insert a link right now. And I will show you what look I'm doing by inserting a picture right here. Okay, but we don't want to hear me talking. It's early. I haven't had coffee yet. So I pretty much sound like Roz from Monsters, Inc.
Always watching.
Whew, she's nuts.
Fun-filled evening planned for tonight.
I decided that I am going to make this a zero speaking video. I might come in here and there. You know how I do. As always, I will leave all the products in the description box below. If you want to know how I'm going to get this Becky G Lost in the Middle of Nowhere inspired makeup look, then just keep on watching. If you are not a part of the Glam fam, what are you waiting for? Hit that subscribe button right now. And if you already are, you know I love you. Don't forget to hit that post notification bell so you always know when I upload another video. All right, without any further ado, let's insert my intro right now. Let's do this.
I just wanna show you off. I don't wanna do you wrong. Mirror, mirror on the wall. Who's the flies of them all?
I'm just gonna talk for like 2 seconds. Okay, I am going to go. I can't find my Colourpop concealer anywhere, so I am going to use the rest of this Sephora concealer in the color Fondant to just put it on with this Eco Tools brush. Just gonna dip in this little sample. I have like 1,000 concealers, but I just want to get rid of this already, and this is super brightening, but I'm just going to show you guys where I'm going to put the concealer. If you guys know me, I don't normally like to put concealer on my forehead because of lines, but for this video I am because she has such a beautiful glow. I'm going to smooth that in with my G2 and now I'm going to try not to talk, all right? You know how hard that is.
Why you always lying? Oh my God.
Answer up. Wait, what am I doing? Why don't I put her music on in the background? That's better. All right, let's do it. So what I did notice in the video is she had like no blush, but it looked like, let me not say no blush. It looked like she had in the picture and the video contour. Of course, obviously I don't know exactly what she used, but contour and blush on top of each other, which is sometimes a technique that I love to do. and she had it going diagonal. So I'm just, instead of contouring, I'm just gonna use this Bardow color from Colourpop. It's not showing it on camera, but it is brown, copper, pink, mauve. If they had a baby, then one of them is a hoe. But anyways, yeah, that's the color that it is. So I'm not gonna go too much on the forehead because I'm just gonna give myself a little color. And again, this is not contour or bronzer, but it kind of looks as close to the picture as possible. And then if it looks too pink, what I'm gonna do, let me see. It's looking really good from what I can see. But if it looks too red, I'm gonna go over it with this Colourpop light brown. So even if that's a little too harsh, I'm gonna go in with this. That was Bardow, by the way. Bardow, okay? This is sticker sheet on top of that blush. Just so you guys don't think I'm going like all like pink. For nothing, but this makeup is coming out fire so far. Let me go really close to my hairline with the brown. And it'll give me more of a warmer look. We all know the disclaimer. I'm not gonna look nothing like Becky G, okay? The girl is like a supermodel and she's literally like half my age. But it's just for fun. It's just to recreate the look, and I love the music. So anyways, speaking of music, we're gonna go right back to the music. Throw away the key, okay? Oh, I gotta wipe the bake off my face. That bake off my face. I can't believe I almost forgot about that. Oh, you didn't know I knew the words. All right, it's jam session time, y'all. Let's spray that highlighter, let it dry, and dance. Cut! You know what? No, I'm not gonna have Marc Jacobs. I'm gonna give you guys an affordable option that's just as good. I'm going in with this Maybelline Snap Mascara. Woo! I'm gonna put on my outfit and I'll be right back, y'all. Oh wait, my song's on. Like, I can't leave. I can't leave. This is the finished look, Glam fam. I hope you love it. And I'm gonna spray one more time. I love you guys. I'm not wearing the see-through pants for the event though. My husband will be like,
are you freaking kidding me?
look at my shoes. Like, what? Love you guys. Don't forget to subscribe. See you in my next video. You guys are awesome. Peace. And my dog. Cut.